The masters who invented fractionation didn't want to expose it to outsiders because of one very important reason. Since fractionation is so devastatingly effective in generating intense attraction, using it merely to get phone numbers or kisses would be overkill. In fact, in the words of one of its creators, using fractionation in attraction is like taking a nuclear bomb to a gunfight. When you hear stories of men getting phone numbers or kisses in less than 10 minutes upon the approach, you can safely assume that there was some fractionation action going on. Next, you're going to learn about this technique and discover how you can use it to create a strong emotional bond with any woman you want. So here's how fractionation works. The technique is based on this mind control concept called dual polarity. I describe dual polarity in detail inside the Shogun method, but here's what it is in plain language. Dual polarity means two opposing states, thoughts, or emotions. For example, pleasure and pain, desire and disgust, pride and embarrassment, generosity and greed, joy and grief, and so on. Neurologists have found that when the human brain is exposed to quick successions of dual polarity, for example, pleasure and pain, the intensity of human emotions is amplified by at least 1,000%. This means that when you stir up both positive and negative feelings in a woman, you create a strong emotional bond with her. In other words, you will push her big red attraction button if you make her feel both pleasure and pain simultaneously. If this sounds complicated, don't worry. Next, I'll give you a couple of examples, and you will see just how easy it is. For example, you can say this. Do you remember the time when your best friend is just next to you, and it makes you feel tremendously happy? You feel important, appreciated, and loved. Now can you imagine how that feels?